question. The first question, which animals have the most interesting behavior? Who can answer the question? Arman? Yeah, I don't know.
The most interesting behaving animals, monkeys and cats.
Thank you. Down. The next question. What do these animals have in common? Arman, stand up.
They have perfect vision in the dark.
Thank you very well. The next question. What other animals can navigate in the dark? Yeah, Akota?
Cats, crocodiles and fishes.
Thank you, very well. Sit down. The next, I want to put questions, to ask questions. It is national and appear on country's flag. Who can answer the question? It is national animal and appear on country's flag. I don't know. No say Golden eagle. Yes, that's right. Thank you. Our museum, analyzing the specific features and animals since golden eagles. Right. Today the 17th of February. Right. Analyzing the specific features and animals, the golden eagles. Learning objects use speaking and listening skills to provide sensitive feedback to peers. Recognize the attitude or opinion of the speakers in unsupported, extended talk on a wide range of unfamiliar topics. Use a wide variety of simple, perfect, active, and passive forms and a variety of perfect, continuous forms on a wide range of general and curricular topics. Repeat after me. Vocabulary. Birds of prey. Bird of prey. Breed. Breeding season.
Breeding season.
Carnivore.
Carnivore.
Incubation period.
Incubation period.
Nest.
Nest.
Plumage.
Plumage.
Prey.
Prey.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Retina.
Retina.
Rodent.
Rodent.
Subspecies.
Subspecies.
Felon.
Felon.
Bird of prey.
Bird of prey.
Breed.
Breed.
Breeding season.
Breeding season.
Carnivore.
Carnivore.
Incubation period.
Incubation period.
Nest.
Nest.
Plumage.
Plumage.
Prey.
Prey.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Retina.
Retina.
Rodent.
Rodent.
Subspecies.
Subspecies.
Felon. Watch the video, The Golden Eagles of Kazakhstan.
Let's read the text and don't forget to take notes when you are reading.
The Golden Eagles of Kazakhstan. The Golden Eagle has been a symbol of freedom, power and courage for thousands of years. It has been part of the culture of Kazakhstan for centuries, which is why it was chosen to be the national animal and appear on the country's flag. Let's take a closer look at these impressive birds of prey. Habitat and distribution. Golden eagles are fairly widespread in Kazakhstan, inhabiting open countries such as mountains, steppe and desert. There are 4 subspecies of golden eagle in the country, and each one generally breeds in a different area, although their territories sometimes overlap. The Chrysatos subspecies most commonly nests in the west, the Kamchatka in the north, the Homayari in the Kazunkum Desert, and the Daphnia in the Tian Shan Mountains. Appearance and behavior. The name of these beautiful birds might seem misleading at first because their plumage is mainly dark brown. However, their name comes from the golden feathers on their heads and necks. Like other rabbits.
The next task answer the questions. Arman, come here.
Yes.
First the sentence.
What helps bald eagles catch the prey is
Your answer?
important.
Right, they are powerful claws. The next question. Ruler, come here.
Reserve helps golden react quickly by its
Your answer? Hatching baby birds and releasing them. The next question. Ahmeta, come here.
Golden eagles have extraordinary eyesight as
Your answer?
have a normal concept in each eye.
Yes, right. The next question. Aida, come here.
Golden eagles
Usually. Your answer? Wrong. Stays with his mate until one. The next question. Alina, come here.
Therefore, there is space of golden eagles in Kazakhstan.
Your answer? Parent, your parent. A, B, C, D. Parent C. Migrate in order to breathe. Okay, the next question. Gulnaz, come here. Gulnaz, come here. Akuta, come here. Be quick. Golden.
Golden eagles have extraordinary eyesight as
Your answer is right. They have a million corners. Yes, that's all. Now look at the blackboard. Did you know hunting with golden eagles is an ancient art? Petroglyphs from the Bronze Age depicting hunters with eagles have been found in Central Asia. The next grammar, the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense, to have plus participle. Second, to have be. Third, VED. The past perfect tense, form affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay. The next task, write exercise. Do task. The next task, do exercise. Who can write? The first exercise. They not release the young eagles into the wild yet. Arman. Come here. the one. Eagles into the wild yet. Wild yet. Yet. Is it right? Is it right?
Умар.
Is it right? We're wrong. They haven't released it. D.
Да.
D. Okay, sit down. Good.
Сюда.
The next sentence. The female eagle was tied and for 5 hours. I don't know. Camel eagle was hung. Red. Tie red. ED. Hand. Had been hunted. Hunting, yes, hunting. For the hours. 4, 5 hours. Hour at. Is it right? Is it right?
The family eagles was too tired. She had been hunting for 5 hours.
No. Try once more. She had been hunting for the female eagle. The female The next sentence. James take pictures of many species of eagle by the end of his trip. Right? Picture. Precious. Yes. Of eagle. By the N, E, and D. And
Again.
and he's big. Three. That's all. Is it right? James had taken pictures of many searches by the end of his tree. Is it right? The last sentence, the eagles built their nest for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, put that, continue. All the last 2 weeks. Question. Is it right? Have the eagles been building their nest for the last 2 weeks? Is it right? It's right. Thank you, sit down. Very well. Okay, the conclusion of the lesson, homework. Write your homework under the question. Your homework under the question. Under the question, right. Why can some animals navigate by night? The next question, how the vision capabilities affect their behavior in the dark? Why are the owls expert at measuring through the trees at night? The last question, in what ways do the researching of animals' ability to see at night help people? Yomar Akpotan, excellent. Gulnaz, good.